I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything.
Hey, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. And today, today we are doing a dorm room tour of Amaz's dorm room. Excuse all that fan noise. That is Amaz's roommate's fan, so can't touch it. But yeah, so today we're gonna be doing a dorm room tour of Amaz's room and his side of the room. And if y'all want to see my room, y'all gotta go subscribe to my channel. So we're just gonna be doing that, and then we're gonna tell you guys how it is to be in college together. So yeah, let's get started.
Oh, hey, welcome to my crib, man. Welcome to my crib. My dorm. You know, welcome. You know, this is first look, exclusive content, you know what I'm saying, to the world of Amaz.
And Amaz needs a haircut.
I'm missing my haircut one. Alright, look. So, I guess, you know, y'all see my desk, you know, those little right here, in my bed. TV. Dresser.
This how you living?
Yes, I'm living, man. You know.
I'm trying not to get his side.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
You come over here.
What is this?
Off a flapjack. Alright. Trash can. Shoes down there. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Something slide. And this is my closet. Excuse the floor in the closet. My laundry basket. My laundry basket's supposed to be there.
I don't draw.
Laundry basket's supposed to be there. But you know, nice and neat. Everything nice and neat.
Okay, so drip. Peanuts. Wow. Interesting. Look at all this water.
Might be thirsty, man.
Okay.
I had to go unlock the door.
So
right now we're currently waiting.
try not to get
Oh,
his
his side of the
stuff.
room?
Yeah. He
Oh.
didn't get permission to film his roommate's side of the room.
Yeah, really?
Okay.
This is the teeth brushing area. The mirror where you look at yourself in the morning, you know what I'm saying? Cabinet where all the goodies and stuff is at, you know what I'm saying? Or we get a little nice little neat little micro fridge.
Ooh.
You know, something slight. It's
Interesting.
cool looking, you know, something slight, you know what I'm saying? What else we got in here? Not really much. You can't go look at the bathroom right now because my suite mate is in there, you know.
Well, the bathroom is nothing special anyway.
Nothing really special, you know what I'm saying?
So this is your crib.
This is my crib, man. This is where I stay.
And
I'm
this
staying
is
for
his
6 months.
workspace, I guess. And his calendar. Cute.
I'm very organized, man. You gotta keep it. Key is in college, man. Get you a calendar, man, and write everything every day for the rest of the semester, man. You know what I'm saying? So you know what you got going on. You're not here no more, so. Look nasty.
Ew.
Sweet nigga leaving their hair and stuff.
Shush. Okay, so
Look at the
this
shower.
is your
Look at the shower. What is this? Wow.
Ew.
It's not me.
Okay. So
Mine, you know what I'm saying? Look, catch the smellies. Another smeller over here by the fan. You know what I'm saying? You got another smelly in the closet. Another smelly.
smelly. Why are you
another smelly
calling
down here in the corner next to the drawers.
Ew.
You know, you gotta keep your space nice and refreshed, okay? When you're in the dormitory, it can get real stank if you're not clean.
So this is your side.
This is my crib. This is not very much, you know.
Yikes.
Not very much.
Welcome to the ghetto.
There's a kitchen in here, but there's no room for a kitchen.
Okay, so we could go. No, that y'all kitchen is nasty. Okay,
Let me
so
show you the door. Bye.
goodbye. So now we're going to tell you guys and walk and talk and eat and talk and walk and talk and tell you guys how it is to be in college together. By the way, we have Squad. Squad. Oh, it's so cute. And a dookie emoji.
That's definitely hard though. No flip.
So Amaz lives on this side, and I stay all the way around on the other side. So this is campus. This is like the front entrance, and yeah. So right now we're about to go to Chick-fil-A and get food because earlier it's 2:30. So about from like 9 o'clock till just about 45 minutes ago, our building did not have power.
Like 2 o'clock.
No, it's not. It's 2:30. So what are you talking about? Exactly.
30 minutes ago.
Nah, it was like 45 minutes ago. We just caught power. And so now we're headed to get food.
Chick-fil-A, I guess. I went
So,
outside, man. Why outside be closed, man?
our campus is pretty big. Basically on weekends, me and Amaz be together like 24/7 until he goes to the gym, as you can see. What are those? Oh, I'm weak. I still have my Crocs on. So we basically go to the gym. I said we. I should be going to the gym, but I have to work at the desk at 4 o'clock.
Shut up.
I do have to work at the desk at 4
Stop
o'clock.
making excuses.
I have to go to the desk. I have to work at the desk at 4 o'clock.
Oh, I ain't put no deodorant on. I need to go do that first before I go to the gym.
Ew. Anyways, so yeah. So basically on weekends we just spend all day together and we go eat and we do nothing other than that. Amaz goes to the gym. Oh, the past 2 weekends we have done a lot of stuff, but we gonna chill out because we've been spending a lot of money, and yeah. So see y'all when we get to Chick-fil-A.
Our dining services. Man, we got Thompson, Eagle Express, Subway, The Grill, Mingbo, Farmers Field, Tres Hamburger, that junk's so trash. Chick-fil-A, Starbucks. You said what? You said what? The Tres umbrellas? That is garbage. Habanero? Huh? No, I'm not. It's really not good at all.
It's really like a bootleg mousse.
They don't have no flavor to none of their stuff.
But if you get a taco bowl,
no lines, no waits. What you getting? Chick-fil-A? Sure you are.
What time you gonna go? What time is it? 38. Okay.
what are you getting?
Grill, you know I'm getting, man. Get grilled chicken.
You're trying to act like you always get grilled chicken. Cause you just started it. So
No, I really
basically
did.
it's like we get certain stuff on a meal like, and we get like 80 a semester.
So we get we do get 80.
So we got our food, like we said. I eat Chick-fil-A like almost every single day.
I don't.
I eat Chick-fil-A like every day.
So what we talking about? We're talking about how it is to me and Cost together?
Yes. Just turned into a mukbang really quickly.
Room for mukbang, content footage. So what can I say? Pretty cool actually.
I guess it's like decent because, well, it's of course because we go together and like that would suck just to be away from somebody who you're with, and then like we like only hang around each other.
She's dragging it. We can mostly be around each other.
Well, okay, I hang around other people. He don't hang around other people. So
I do to a certain extent. My homeboy, you know what I'm saying? My day ones, man. They're not with me, so you know what I'm saying?
And my friends, I don't really have, I have a couple of friends.
She got friends.
And they come around, so.
Her friends are her sweet mates and so on and so forth.
Yeah. So of course my sweet mates I hang with. But other than that, I really like, and then I have like people on my floor that I talk to, but that's just like, I just talk to them just because. But we do.
She dragging it.
People on my floor? Who are my friends with on my floor?
Oh, you're not dragging it.
Exactly. Are you listening to me or you just want to talk?
Oh. Can you talk to this because? Talk to this because.
On my floor?
Who?
Because I have to.
Who?
Everybody.
I don't talk to nobody, bro.
But
it's
yeah.
RA.
So we
communicate with her residents.
So we just like, mainly, like I said, if we on campus, majority of the time, like it's nice to go. Like we eat together, like when we have lunch, even on like on class days. Most of the time, sometimes like on certain days, Amaz has class like back to back. So
really, we keep each other company, man. That's what it is, man.
Yeah.
We ain't really never too bored. That's what it is.
So that's good. And then it's not like, I guess it's like, I don't know what to say.
Y'all understand. We just can't quite explain it too well. We just keep each other company, pretty cool. My real close friends that I actually be around, they don't go to school with me. They go to upstate, or they are not at the school or the military or something, or just back home working, man, working their behind us. So, it just be me and her for the most part. What else we got? It's cool to be. She got her own room now, so it's cool to be,
Yeah, I do have my own room.
Color up my girl, man, her room. It wasn't like this last semester. Last semester was a little iffy.
Yeah, because we both had roommates.
No, she used to try to squeeze in my little twin-size bed, and
so
it used
now
to
I
be
have
very
two
annoying.
twin-size beds, so it's kind of like, it's a king size.
She got two twin XLs to make a king size. So now that's good, man. Sleeping in a king size bed, watching TV.
But we don't sleep together on weekdays because
I hear my work now, man.
space.
My work now, man. She'll distract me.
No, I won't. And then he also has 8 a.m.s every single day of the week, and I don't wake up that early, and I'm a light sleeper, so that would kind of be annoying, even if he did sleep with me to a certain extent.
And then she got sweet mates and stuff, that's how, it's just different.
Yeah, but that doesn't really matter because he knows them. So
I do know them. Well, that's going to interfere with their shower schedule, how they shower and all that. That's a whole extra person and all that. Not just being.
But it's not like, even if he do stay the night, he literally like around the corner, like not even around the corner, like he just walk around the corner to his room. So it's not like he gotta go to a. But it's not. It's legit on the same floor, so it's really not that long of a walk. It's not like he gotta go to a whole different building.
So basically, I don't gotta sleep in her room, man. I'm gonna run around the corner, man. But on the weekend, I do sleep in there, I ain't gotta get up and do nothing. It's cool though. We need to get back on. We need to get on our YouTube video and stuff, man. We have no excuse not to be. We do have an excuse. We got a little excuse, but we have no excuse not to be posting consistently, like at least like twice a week, once a week.
Yeah, especially on weekends though, because we be like really just chilling on weekends. So.
Like what? We be just trying food on, like what we did yesterday. We went to Golden Corral. I'm not gonna speak on that, but day before that, where we went? Friday? What was that? Saturday? No, that was Saturday.
We went to his wing spot.
Saturday we went to the mall in Pineville, which is like,
and we went to the outlets.
We went to wing spot. Friday we went to a hookah lounge with my homeboy Deshaun.
And my sweet mate.
Her friend, her real close friend, Kamaya.
Well, I mean, they already met Kamaya. Oh wait, this is not my channel. I forget. That's a bug.
We doing stuff,
Yeah.
Thursday, we about to do something. We ain't do nothing.
We supposed
Last
to go skate,
week, we do
but
stuff.
they didn't.
We might come out y'all with some vlogs, you know.
When we
See
go
how-
out to Charlotte or something, but we probably not this upcoming weekend because we going to Sumter.
And I spent a whole bunch of money, man. Like with books and stuff. I spent like $500 in food and like getting extra shoes and stuff, running shoes and all that stuff. Just keep my, you know, placing shoes that I worn out.
But I don't know. I do feel like us being at the same college helps us like grow in our relationship kind of sort of. Because if we were like apart, it would be kind of hard. Like even though we already know each other, we don't know each other like we think we know each other, of course, because we never know somebody so much. So I feel like we getting to know each other even more. You don't feel like that?
Yeah, I surely do. That's me right there. It's cool. It's cool being at the college with your significant other, man. Unless you want some scheming joint, you know what I'm saying? Unless you're scheming out here, you know. Most people like that don't want to be in that, you know, college days with their boo. But me, I'm a, you know, cool guy, man. I ain't doing that. What I can say is we don't never be bored though. I think that's a big perk of going to school with your, you know, girlfriend or whatever you want to call it, your good friend or however y'all share a relationship. But I'll never be bored.
Yeah. And then like we like really like friends. I feel like because we could do stuff together. Like some people don't feel like they can hang out, like actually go out to parties and stuff with their boyfriend or their girlfriend. But like we not like if it's just us, like us two and like my friend Kamaya.
And they third wheeling. They're not really gonna be third wheeling because it's gonna be like, you know, we all cool.
Yeah, because we all friends. So me and mine don't never like be like.
We don't be inappropriate, you know.
Yeah, in front of other people.
Yeah, that's extra, man. All that
we
PDA
just, like,
and mushiness and
not saying like we act like we don't date, but like we just don't
cool.
be doing, yeah.
We friends.
So we hang out like with other people, and when we go places and stuff,
don't wanna make people feel
it be
awkward.
cool. So like that's what we do. Mostly it do be me, Amaz and Kamaya though, because like when we go to lunch or like when we go eat, like around in the afternoon at 6 for dinner, we usually go to the caf and then and then if they don't have ouch! And then if they don't have anything, we usually come over here or we'll go to Subway or something. But anyways, like
nah,
I'm
you know
saying,
me, man. I gotta eat that. I gotta make sure I have my vegetables and all that, man. You know what I'm saying?
we still
life good.
all hang out together. So
You know, we could conclude our video right here, man. You know what I'm saying?
moral of the story is we have fun together.
Yeah, man. That's all to it. And we gonna come back with y'all with some bangers, you know what I'm
And we're
saying?
gonna start posting more videos consistently.
Our goal right now is at least once a week, alright?
For sure, once a week.
I think our classes, or my class and her class, yeah, our class is not too hard to, you know, not too difficult for us to not be able to maintain our YouTube career, man. Mine,
Mine got a little iffy, but we will see. So maybe we'll do a video like, I don't know. We'll think about it. We'll most definitely let y'all know. But if y'all made it to the end of the video, thank you. Make sure y'all
like, comment, subscribe, and share this mug, man. Share it.
Share the
it
video.
with your family, man. With your family, share it. All of it. Share the whole video.
and we're gonna catch y'all next video.